Hey everybody, welcome to my bathroom. So today I'm going to be doing a hair refresh, and I don't know if it's showing on camera. It might not be, but I haven't colored my hair. I want to say it's been, if it hasn't been a year yet, it's been almost a year, and my hair is in desperate need of a color boost. Like, it's looking kind of ashy. It doesn't look very vibrant. The color that I did has totally worn off, and I wanted to rejuvenate my hair, get that deep color, that rich color. It always makes your hair look so much healthier, so much shinier. So first order of business is to dye my hair. I have this Revlon Color Silk permanent hair color in soft black. I actually got 3 boxes, and I just love when I get a color refresh. Makes me feel just so re-energized. I was actually thinking of going with like maybe a red this time, or like a really light brown, almost blonde-ish, but I'm kind of nervous for that. Maybe next time, maybe I'll get someone to do it. But for now, I'm gonna stick with my black. Just separated my hair into these 4 sections and just twisted it together. Take this bottle, pour it into this one. Cap back on and shake it. I'm gonna go ahead and prepare all 3 of these bottles because I just know I'm gonna need all of them. I'm gonna go ahead and start in the back and just apply this color all throughout, like really saturate every strand. And I kind of like to just go through, smooth it out, pull it apart just to see if there are any dry spots, because that's where you know you missed some spots and you need to add more of the color to it. Massage it into my roots. Make sure I got those. Okay, so now that this section's done, I'm just gonna twist it. Make a little knot and use a clip. Keep that in place. Same thing for all the rest of these sections. So this is bottle number 2. Finished with this one, so definitely was right. I was gonna need 3 bottles. So this is the last bottle. All right, so I'm gonna leave this on for 25 minutes. Then I'm going to rinse the color out, make sure I get everything off. After that, I'm going to condition, and then I'll be right back. All right, so I towel blotted my hair. I got the majority of the water out of it. So now what I'm gonna do is put my hair back into 4 sections because I'm going to attempt a twist and curl. I have not done a twist and curl in years. So I hope this works, but if not, I know I can make it into something that'll be still dope. I'm gonna be using 2 products for this right now. First, I'm using this Not Your Mother's Kinky Moves Curl Defining Hair Cream, about a quarter-sized amount. Oh, it smells really good. And just apply that all over this section. Then I'm gonna take smaller pieces. This one I'm actually gonna split in half. I'm gonna use a paddle brush to detangle, brush that out. Then I'm taking this Aussie Headstrong Volume Mousse. Put some of this mousse on. Then I'm just gonna take this and make a 2-strand twist. Like that. Same thing for this piece. Detangle it. Add some mousse. 2-strand twist. Now I'm going to take 2 twists at a time and roll them around this rod. and just roll it like that. I didn't make it super tight and flush on my roots. I have a little slack there. So I'm going to continue the entire section. I did 6 twists for this one quadrant. And again, every time I take down a section, I'm gonna add this Kinky Moves Curl Defining Hair Cream. And this is actually my first time using it. I like how thick and creamy it feels. Make a section like that. Split this in half. Detangle. Add mousse. Make a 2-strand twist. All the way down. Once I have 2 twists, take a rod, starting at the bottom, roll it up, and secure it like that. All done twisting and curling. As you can see, I did 28 twists total. I did 12 in the back and then 16 in the front. So now what I'm gonna do is just chill out, let my hair air dry overnight, and then I'll come back in the morning for the takedown. All right, it's the next day and my hair is fully dry, or at least I hope it's fully dry. So I'm gonna go ahead and take these rods out. The right side is dry, the left side is still a little damp, and it hasn't been a full 24 hours yet, so I should have let it dry a little longer. This one is like super damp. But anyway, I'm gonna roll with it. I have some olive oil. This is plain olive oil. I'm just going to coat my hands with it and start separating. So each twist, I'm going to take the 2 strands apart, and then for each strand, I'm just gonna divide it into probably 3 or 4 pieces. I'm eager to see what all this is actually going to look like once all the twists are separated. We shall see in a minute. Now I'm going to take this wide tooth comb and just start fluffing it out and teasing my roots, get some volume going. I'm going to take some edge control. This is Edge Fixer by Kiss. Slick down my edges. Y'all, I am like amazed. I'm really not mad at this look. Wow. All right guys, so this is the finished look. It was a little touch and go there for a minute. I wasn't too sure how it was going to turn out. I'll have to be honest, but I am absolutely loving it. So I will certainly be doing more twists and curls in the future because it's so easy. And even though some of my hair didn't dry, it really didn't matter because, you know, it's got that like carefree vibe. It has that easy goingness. It's not meant to be super defined. So if I do want a super defined look, I'll do my flexi rod set that I've showed you guys a bunch of times that I do. But if I want something a little more free, a little more casual, I can just do this and it still turns out amazing. Really versatile too. You can rock it out like that or pull back the middle, just pin it. Super dope like this, up and away. Got a headband you could put on too. How cute. I just got this 4-pack of headbands here. I'll put a link to these if you guys are interested. I don't know if it's picking up in the camera, but this headband is kind of shimmery. Looks super girly and pretty in person. A little sparkle, a little bling. Also take a scarf, roll it up like that, and just make a high puff. Start from the back, tie it in the front, push it back a little bit, and then bring this up. Secure it in the front. And we have a super fluffy big puff. Last thing I'm gonna do is a fro hawk. So just pull the hair over to the middle, pin each side. Just some super quick styling ideas for if you want to just change things up every now and then. And pin this side over, and then, you know, just shape it, get it into the position that you want. So yeah, that is it. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys on my next one. Peace.